A minute each.
Okay, before we continue, I would like to clarify to our organizers if we only have one question for all candidates.
Yes, one question for all the candidates. Yes.
Okay, since we have one question for all the candidates, the other candidates' ears are covered right now so that they won't be able to hear the question. Anyway, candidate number 15, here's the final question. In a world where many teenagers are influenced by trends and social media, how can young people stay true to their values while making a positive impact on others? I'm going to repeat the question. In a world where many teenagers are influenced by trends and social media, how can young people stay true to their values while making a positive impact on others?
Thank you for that question. Social media does definitely have its pros and cons. And I believe to make an impact, there has to be an influencer out there spreading their values and spreading their culture and spreading their identity. Even if I have to be that one. And I, as King, and I want to be that influencer. To spread my values, to spread my culture on social media. And say, let's be proud of who we are. Let's be proud of our values. Let's treat others with respect. And most of all, treat others with the kindness we expect of them. And I believe that social media can be used positively. And I know that as King, and with the help of the organization, we can truly make an impact for the better, and for the youth, and for our nation. Thank you.
Thank you for that wonderful answer. You may now go back on stage to replenish yourself.
Let's call on the next candidate for tonight.
Candidate number 12, please step forward here on stage.
Candidate number 12, here's your final question. In a world where many teenagers are influenced by trends and social media, how can young people stay true to their values while making a positive impact on others? I'm going to repeat the question. In a world where many teenagers are influenced by trends and social media, how can young people stay true to their values while making a positive impact on others?
Once again, good evening everyone. Whatever problems we face today, I always believe that the solution starts when we empower and educate every individual. Because education is not just about earning a diploma. It's about developing critical thinking, compassion, and the courage to create positive change. As a young leader, I will use my voice to inspire others to always believe in themselves and be an active contributor to their communities and our society. Because when we invest in education, we do not just change one life. We create a ripple effect that transforms families, communities, and future generations. And that is the impact that I hope to make as your Mr. Teen Philippines 2026. A responsible citizen committed in making a difference through empowerment and education. Thank you.
Thank you, and congratulations, candidate number 12. Up next.
Candidate number 11, here is your question. In a world where many teenagers are influenced by trends and social media, how can young people stay true to their values while making a positive impact on others? I'm going to repeat the question. In a world where many teenagers are influenced by trends and social media, how can young people stay true to their values while making a positive impact on others?
Maraming salamat po sa isang magandang katanungan. Kung mabibigyan po ako ng pribilehiyo na i-encourage sila, ito po sa pamamagitan po ng respeto at disiplina. Naniniwala po ako sa respeto po at disiplina, ito po ay isa sa mga mahalagang aspeto ng bawat buhay natin. Sa pamamagitan po ng respeto at disiplina, ito po ang isa sa mga daan at tulay papuntang tagumpay. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11.
Up next, may we call on candidate number 8 here on stage.
While waiting for candidate number 8, we would like to say that our candidates right now, that's why they're taking time because their ears are currently covered. They are somewhere where they can hear our question, our final
They are
question.
isolated. But anyway, here's our candidate number 8.
Candidate number 8, here is your question. In a world where many teenagers are influenced by... Before I continue, may I request our audience to please keep quiet so that our candidate can concentrate. Okay, I will repeat the question twice. In a world where many teenagers are influenced by trends and social media, how can young people stay true to their values while making a positive impact on others? Again, in a world where many teenagers are influenced by trends and social media, how can young people stay true to their values while making a positive impact on others?
Social media is a very powerful platform with a broad reach when it comes to certain demographics. And I believe with this power, young people such as me should be responsible about the information they are sharing on social media. Because I believe when you have that power to influence others, you should use it with the right manner. We should always think before we click, because we don't know the effects that we might cause with one wrong information. So I ask everyone here to always think of the possible consequences before you post anything or say anything online. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you once again, candidate number 8.